Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
All done here. How's traffic there, Helly?
Everything's moving freely, Polly.
In that case,
Thank the manufacturer, you're alive! Matt?
No, you don't know what you want. Luigi, know what you want. Black.
Huh? Oh! You guys are the best!
Thanks for the help, Corporal. Anything for one of Pop's mates.
I'm the rolling doctor train. I'll take you to Darwin Hospital. Hop on.
Fast River, Fast Lou, even Junior.
Tomica and
What's your name, son?
Lightning McQueen.
and
I should quickly go practice driving.
Gani!
Huh? Anna.
cavolo, le mie chiavi non funzionano!
Dozo, come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Right this way.
Dog.
Is everything okay? If you're worried about your fuel, man, don't. It's perfectly safe.
No.
No, you don't.
Doc, I'm flat! I'm flat!
Morning, champ. How's our living legend today?
Still very much alive, thank you.
Lightning, come on. You've done the work. Now move on to the next phase and reap the reward.
Thanks, guys!
You got more talent in one lug nut than a lot of cars has got in their whole body.
Really? Oh, that's...
There can't be this many walls on a regular track!
You have been passed by Jackson Storm.
Wait, storms in the...
Oh, look at this! Okay, now, Mater, remember, best behavior.
You got...
That road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up, you
Hey! Act civilized.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will beat his...
need you to watch the prisoner tonight.
Well, daggone. Wait a minute. What if he tries to run again? What's going on, ladies? Alrighty now. Let's have us a little look. What just happened?
Well, who is it? Has anyone seen the photo yet?
Nope, not yet. The American is here tonight to party.
Ready to start training?
I don't know. You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your fluffy...
They fixed their neon.
Fight me! Welcome to the chick era, baby! Piston cup.
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
Whipple filter.
Fine, just stay out of the way. Excuse me, sir? Where are the other racers?